Hello and welcome to another Web Manager tutorial. In this one we're going to sort out filling in your SEO details. Now to do that we need to open a page to demonstrate that. So we're going to go to Design Site, and from the file directory here I'm going to select the page I created recently for displaying these tutorials. YouTube links, and click Open. Now as you can see, it's just a basic page, there's not much content on it, so in terms of search engine optimization there's not an awful lot we can do with this. We need to populate it with more information before the search engines will find it particularly interesting. So whilst I'm in this page, I'll go to File, and underneath Save As you've got a link that says File Details. Now this is a small menu which lists lots of different things to do with the file itself, rather than to do with the display of the page. And we have a link here, the second one in, that says Search Optimization. Now there's three areas that we should fill in just as good practice really when creating website files, and we have title, keywords and page description. Now these should all relate to the content within your web page. So what we've done is we've developed a system so that you can click this button here and it will automatically fill in these details. So it reads through the page and guesses what the title should be and the keywords and the page description. So if I click Automatic SEO, as you can see it's populated it with the relevant information. Okay, so it's picked up the title as training, which is fine by me. That sounds good. Keywords, it's only picked up one keyword that it's happy to use, and that's training again. We could use Web Manager as well, so we can edit these. And the reason it probably hasn't picked up Web Manager is because it doesn't recognise it as a real word. Just like it, as you can see, it's put the squiggly line under YouTube. It doesn't see it as a real word, therefore it's not suggesting it as a keyword. But we've got the ability to add it in ourselves. Okay, so that's basically how you can just finish off your page by putting in the relevant SEO details. Now for experts out there, there'll be more that you want to put in other than just these, but you can use this automatic SEO tool to identify your keywords. So if the keywords that you're trying to populate your page with are not being picked up in here, then you also need to adjust your content and add more of your keywords in a sensible manner. Okay, so once you're happy with what you've entered, just click Apply, click OK, and then we can click Save, and that will apply those details. Now I'm just going to demonstrate that we have that has actually been applied. So I'm going to click Quick Edit to go back to my live site, and I'm going to click this link here that takes us to that page we've just edited. And as you can see, we've got training in there. It has adopted that as the title. You can also use your browser to check the code for your web page to show that it has taken on the meta description and the keywords as well. Okay, so it's fairly straightforward. Hope that's been useful. Thanks for watching.